Do you snore? Do you have a partner who snores? Would you really just like to get a good night's sleep? Well, I'm Kate Bellamy and I'm here to look at the Adkins snoring aid, which could be the answer you're looking for. So what is it? Well, here it is. It's very small, as you can see. It's very soft because it's made from medical grade material, and it's extremely clever. All you do is pop it up your nose and it moulds to fit and it retrains the way that you breathe. So let's find out how simple it is to use. So I'm now joined by the lovely Dave, who's going to show us how easy it is to fit, because you've got your own, haven't you?
Yes.
Quite used to doing this. Okay, off
Yep.
you go. Well, that didn't take very long. Is it quite comfortable?
Yes, fine.
Yeah, I can see it. It sits quite comfortably in the nostril, and what it does is it stops you breathing through your nose, makes you breathe through your mouth, which in turn stops most people from snoring. So you're quite comfortable to have that in, doesn't disturb your sleep.
I forget I've got it in until I look in the mirror in the morning.
Fantastic. Well, I went out to meet some other Adkins users. So, Eddie and Yvonne, how long have you been married?
We've been married 39 years.
Problem is that one of you snores. Which one is it?
It's me.
Okay. Right, okay, so you tried the Adkins. Tell me, what did you think? First of all, did you want to cure your snoring?
Yes. I wasn't too keen, I have to say, on trying anything. But they were very, very easy to use. Very soft.
Mm-hmm. And comfortable.
And comfortable. They didn't cause any irritation or anything at all. So, and after a few days, the fact that they actually worked was the big bonus. It was amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm just pleased that I can sleep with anyone now.
Did you hear that, Eddie? You'll have to watch her from now on. And from the snorer's perspective, you didn't want to try Adkins, but you did, and you're glad you did. So what would you say to anyone who's...
I would say just give it a try, because it worked for me, and hopefully it will work for other people too.
Okay, well, I'm very glad that you're now having completely beautiful sleepy nights.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So a little bird told me, Les, that you've been snoring since your army days. Is that right? And how long ago is that?
That's about 20 years ago. Perhaps longer than that, 25 years ago, yeah.
What changed? What made you deal with your snoring?
Probably the attitude of my good lady, my wife. I didn't know I was snoring. It was her that was woken, and she did the separating bit by going away.
So do I gather that the introduction to the Adkins...
friends, really, saying that try these. They stayed on the side of the bed for about a week.
Now, why was that?
Sceptical is the word, sceptical. I'd seen lots of things in the papers, but these are very, very comfortable. Small, soft sorbo balls that are placed up the nose, and you don't know you got them in. Really don't know.
So were you really surprised at how easy Adkins was to use?
Unbelievable. I mean, there's no pain, there's no inconvenience at all. No uncomfortable. They're very good bit of kit, yeah.
Would you recommend Adkins?
I would recommend them, because if you get them for somebody else, yes, ask them to try them. And if somebody's getting them for you, then they are really good. It stops you snoring. It really does stop you snoring.
And if Amy were here, what do you think she'd say?
Eureka! You stop snoring.
So there you have it, the Adkins snoring aid. It's comfortable, it's easy to use, and it works. This is the starter pack. It's £9.95, and you get 2 each of the 3 sizes. That's small, medium and large, so it ensures that it fits well, and you get a full money-back guarantee. So, what have you got to lose? Except the snoring.
to stop your snoring. And most of them were clogging bits of plastic you put in your mouth. But these Adkins was very small, very easy to use, and you couldn't really see them unless you looked. They are good bit of kit.
So they sat on the bedside cabinet for a week, and then eventually, ultimatum time, was it?
Yes, use them or get somewhere else to sleep. So I used them, and they went well. That was good, and they still are good. I mean, I don't use them all the time now because you get practiced in the way you breathe, and that's the main thing, that it makes you breathe better, and it really does work. Adkins to me is a good bit of kit.